we're out here. Oh, I just slipped. But we are ice fishing, and I will show you when we get inside of the tent. But this is where we are around. Yeah. I'll show you when we get into. I'm walking the ice right now. This is like pure ice. I'm like, yeah, I know. That's my tent so far. So I brought my iPad, so I might be able to make like gaming videos or something, but other than that, it's not. I have very good internet out here considering. Also, YouTube added a new feature where you can make 3-minute videos like TikTok. So slay. Airplane. I'm inside the tent now. And I'm gonna just do a quick one of me opening the windows because it's so dark. Okay, I finished opening the windows. Now we're gonna pop this thing up. Got it up. I'm not gonna keep it like this, but we can open the windows for air, and we have to open these little things for air. I'll do that in a second too. Okay, that's good. We got all the things open. Now we just gotta set it up in here. So I may make a part 2 if it's not long enough, but yeah. Okay, this is my chair right here, and then my hole is gonna be right here. So